Hey y'all, how we doing? So today, back at the house, it's really pretty outside. I'll show y'all in a second. So Keela was asking me to sand the beadboard that we're working on putting up in the bathroom. So I was gonna just paint strip some of the trim that goes in the bathroom, but I feel like the beadboard needs to go up for the trim, of course. So I'm gonna work on that. Let me show y'all outside real quick. So nice and pretty. Got some snow. Garage out there's got some snow. I don't know, everybody keeps asking about that. We're not totally sure when it was built. I don't think probably when the Yonemans lived here. It looks a little bit newer maybe than the house was built. It's pretty out. Got some snow up there. It's starting to melt though. It's not too warm. I mean, it's not cold. It feels good here in the window with my short sleeves on, but yeah, so the garage is really nothing special. There's really nothing to see in there. Just some junk, so yeah. So we'll take a look this way. Love this fireplace. But yeah, over here, looks like somebody did a donut over there or something. Somebody's going off-roading. Ugh, those little houses. Eesh. Those are not cute, but yeah, let's get to work. I love this building here. That one there's cool. Yeah, such a nice view. Hopefully something nice will go in here at some point. Hopefully not a giant apartment building or anything. That wouldn't be very good. Okay, y'all. I'm just having a moment. You know, I don't know. I'm kind of turned into one of those people when you're frustrated. You just nothing you can do but laugh. You know. So this it's supposed to look like this. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I have like the strength to like hold the sander where it needs to be without getting into the beads, because you can't sand these with the sander, so you have to be very careful. Like here it's a little bit easier because you can just go flat and just not go to the middle, but here, since there's a bead on both sides, you have to kind of hit it from the side each way. So yeah, like natural wood, and then, you know, whatever's going on here. Yeah, and I'm using 60 grit. So I don't know, I'm gonna take a quick break because it's hurting my back. And I mean, it definitely looks a lot, you know, nicer than here, but it is not. I brought this over so I could like make sure that I'm doing it correctly, and like it's just not getting past like this for me. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a fresh sandpaper. Although this sandpaper that's on here really isn't like gone. Like it's still gritty everywhere. So I don't know. And oh, one more thing. So I'm supposed to go to dinner with a friend. Like right after this, we're gonna meet at like 5:15, 5:30. So I was like, oh, I'll just go straight there. It's like 2:45 right now. Ooh, something in my eye. Sorry. And yeah, I got a bit of a situation here. At least it's just dusty. Sorry, bad angles. It's really low down here. So, and I'm sure my butt's really dusty too because I was sitting. So, see if I can swipe myself off. But yeah, I'm gonna take a quick break and then we'll get back to it. Okay, y'all. Sorry, it's a little close. Good news, Caleb told me that this is fine. They're just different, they're from different areas of the home that they were taken out of. So they just have had a different life. So this one's just darker, that one's lighter, and they will just be what they are because they are reclaimed. So let's finish this piece. And yeah, he told me to bring it up on the table. So if that's easier, then let's try it. Okay, so my phone's gonna die, so I had to stop recording for a minute. I just finished up doing the beads. Looking at it this way, there might be a little bit of touching up we need to do, but like this stuff is just the color of the wood, so I got all the dirtiness off, and here is another piece that hasn't been done yet, so you can see the huge difference in between the two. So definitely looks good. It'll take some shellac nicely. But yeah, all that like striping goes into the bead too, so it's kind of hard to tell, you know, what's the dark and just what's part of the wood. So like, as you can see, you know, it's all just one piece, so the striping and whatnot and pattern goes into the beads. So it's gonna look really pretty on the wall, isn't it? Quite like this. So I'm assuming that this one, because I think that they both have paint on the back. Yeah, they both have this green paint on the back, so these are definitely from the same area, probably the same kind of pattern. So excited to see what this one looks like, but I don't have time to do that today because I have to go meet somebody for din-dins. So yeah, looks good. So yeah, as always, I appreciate y'all being here. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later on. Take care. Bye.